Good morning! Happy Saturday sleigh, everybody. Although I'm not slayed right now. Mooney and I are out for our morning walk. I'm going to attempt to... I'm not going to attempt. I'm going to claim it. I'm going to go to the gym as long as no one's in there. If someone's in there, then I'll just go back home and work out. But, like, we have a gym in the club, or there is a gym in my clubhouse. Yeah, so today my mom and I are going to go to brunch and just hang out around town. So you guys can come with us. All right, yeah, let's go. Mooney, say good morning. Come here, Mooney. Ooh. Say good morning. Say good morning, YouTube. Say good morning. Mooney. Hey guys, Mom and I are coming to Harry's for brunch, and then we're gonna go see Tyler Perry's movie Acrimony.
Oh, okay. Judy, say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Bye bye bye.
All right.
Okay, you too.
Brunch time. Breakfast is served. Yum yum yum. We just got out of watching Acrimony. Mom is pumping gas. I'm in the passenger, hanging on the passenger side of my mom's ride. Trying to help. I'm just kidding. Anywho, that movie was really good. I was surprised. I had heard, I think, on the read, one of the hosts said she didn't like it, but I liked it. Well, the only female host. I can't. Is her name Krista? Anyways, I don't know. She said she didn't like it, but I liked it. I went in with no expectations, and it was really good. And Taraji was real crazy. Real crazy. Real crazy. And what'd you think, Mom?
Oh, it's a wonderful movie. I enjoyed it. Oh, great work, Tyler Perry.
And it was so weird. This lady had a little girl sitting beside us. Clearly, this movie is for adults only, people. In case you didn't know that, you should not be taking your little baby. Not a little baby, but she's probably like between, I would say, 6 and 8 maybe. But that was not a movie for children. There was nudity, profanity, like strong profanity. Man, Mother of the Year, Nats. And let me think of what else. It was good, so I recommend it. You guys go see it if you haven't seen it. We're gonna go home, or we go back to my house. I need to take Mooney out, and then we're gonna go hop around some other stores.
Baseman number 20, Patrick Leonard. He's followed by your second baseman number 4, Juan Perez. Batting in for Charlotte. The Home Race sponsored by Kellogg's. Great way to start your every day.
That's a Wolfpack one. Yeah, Mrs. Wolfpack. Or Mrs. Wolf, I think. How cute.
Well, you got air.
Look at the cat.
You got air again.
His name's Slugger, and he can't hit. They're gonna like the night killer. Yeah, it's his birthday.
Oh, you missed.
Oh, I missed him.
All right, next up, we got Homer.
Woo! Happy birthday, homie!
Homer's gonna take a swing at it here, see if he can get on his birthday. Whoa!
Whoa, Homer, calm down.
There we go. Wait a minute. It's been a minute. Whoa! Happy birthday, Homer.
Dang! Say hi to YouTube, Katie. Hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube, Greg. Oh my gosh, look at it coming down. I'm just glad it's not lightning. When it rains, it pours. Come on, end them. Okay, y'all are too beat up. Who about to kill him? I just shot him. I was like, shut up. That'd be hilarious. Mooney. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Oh my gosh. But is he dead though? I can't. I can't. On that note, kids. Oh, shoot. On that note, I have been sleeping the past few days. I don't know if I have said this before, but I didn't really do much this week. I had house guests for a couple of days, so I didn't record those days after work. And then Monday, I was supposed to go to Bible study, and it was canceled, so I didn't really do much besides edit videos, which you guys have seen. So, long story short, I didn't do gratefuls for those days. So these 3 grateful things today are encompassing everything. I am thankful for my 2 friends, Katie and Greg, for coming to the baseball game with me today. Although the game was canceled and rained out, we had fun. It was fun. And I am thankful for just having a home. One of the days this week, I went to an event or a breakfast for the men's shelter here in Charlotte, and just hearing a couple of videos of a couple of stories that happened to some of the men of how, you know, well, obviously they were homeless, but just the fact of how one thing can be a chain reaction to all these other things in your life, and how you can lose everything in a minute. So I'm just grateful for the things that I have and for being present now. And I'm just grateful that I have a place to call my home and a place that's safe for me to live. And I continue to hopefully stay in a safe place and somewhere to live. And if there's anyone out there that has family members or someone going through some difficult things, just let them know that they are still blessed and that there's someone and there's some place that's willing to help if they need help. So always reach out and don't be afraid to tell people when you need help. All right, I will catch you guys later. See ya. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys, yeah, later. Bye. Mooney! 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 Mooney pie. Well, she'll say bye to y'all later.